I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Hyundai Elantra key fob battery. This simple do-it-yourself task can save you a trip to the dealership. You will need just a few common household items to get started. First, identify your key fob's battery type, which is typically a CR2032 3-volt coin cell. Then, gather a small flathead screwdriver, a coin, or even a butter knife to help open the case. Now let's open the key fob. Many Hyundai key fobs have a small release button or latch to remove the emergency key. Once the key is out, you will see a small notch. Carefully insert your chosen tool, like a flathead screwdriver, into this notch. Gently twist or pry to separate the two halves of the key fob case. Be mindful of any small internal components. With the key fob open, you can now access the old battery. Note its orientation before removal. Most Hyundai Elantra key fobs use a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. Use your small screwdriver or a similar tool to carefully push out the old battery. Then, insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, faces upwards for proper contact. Finally, it is time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the case, making sure all internal components are properly seated. Gently press them together until they firmly snap into place all the way around. Reinsert the emergency key if you removed it. To confirm success, stand near your vehicle and test the key fob's lock and unlock functions. You are all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.